Hi, I'm Eric Polsky, and I'm going to show you how to build a tooltip report in Power BI. Now, to start with, we need some sort of a visual that's going to take advantage of this tooltip report. So I'm going to build a really simple pie chart, and I'm going to show in this pie chart something simple. So we'll do sales by country. And voila. Now, when people hover on top of one of these slices, they get the default tooltip behavior, which is just to show us the category and the volume, the amount. What I want to do is turn this into a second report that shows us sales by year. So I'm going to add another page, and this page I have to expressly tell you are going to be a tooltip. I tend to rename these to something like TT years. The TT is to help me know this is a tooltip page. Notice that by default it resized this down to a much smaller visual because it's going to be a tooltip. And now I can come in and add a different visual. So I'll put in here a stacked column chart that shows my sales by year. So total sales and my year. And it put the year in X. I want the year to be in my X-axis, not my Y. So this is an okay way of visualizing sales by year. But by itself, it's not as interesting. By the way, neat trick is if you put the thing that is in your X-axis, and this doesn't apply to all visuals, but for stacked column it does, put the same thing in your legend, and now it gives you a pretty color for each year. We don't actually need to see the legend since we know that they're years, so I can hide it, but this is much more colorful and interesting. Now we have to wire up this TT years page as the tooltip for page 1, but it's not actually the page we're linking it to. So we have to select the visual that we want to use that tooltip for, and then we come over to its properties. The tooltip settings have been moved to the General tab, and from here, instead of auto, I'm going to tell it to use my TT years page. This is showing up here because in the other page I told it it's a tooltip page. And that's it. When I hover on top of a slice, it now dynamically generates sales by year for that country. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed.